3D printing can fail in many ways. My favorite is the spaghetti. So, how was this done? Step 1. Don't add supports. A print with supports is like a grandma with a walking stick. Very hard to knock down. And if the print doesn't fall, it probably won't fail. Step 2. Don't slow down. Faster printing, shorter cooling time, and higher probability your nozzle will drag the print around, which can get your spaghetti in the best shape. Step 3. Don't glue the plate. If the bottom sticks too well, it'll be hard for the print to slip around halfway, and hard for Peter to get his afro. Step 4. Don't use good filament. Consistency is the enemy of spaghetti. With bad filament, you might even get a clogged nozzle for free. Now, ready to try it yourself?